Today we'll be looking at the Durkopp M-Type 669 Echo. It's set up with a speed reducer, and it's got a really small cylinder, and it's ideal for small bags and very high-end leather work. Because of the circumference, it gives you the ability to be able to get into small areas in bags, etc. As you notice, you can go stitch by stitch with accuracy and control. The machine is equipped with a large capacity bobbin, and here at Dema we carry the Amman and American E-Fred thread. So if you need any thread at a good price, feel free to call us. It's also equipped with a brushless servo motor. It's got variable speed and other functions. The stand is a 2.0 mil heavy duty stand, which are very hard to find in America anymore. The tabletop is plywood, 2-inch thickness, made in USA as well. The machine is actually constructed, designed in Germany, but constructed and put together and manufactured in the Czech Republic.